how to make all participants can send messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make all participants can send messages in group on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any group you want, like this one, and click on your profile and scroll down. Here you will find this one, group settings. Click on it and click send messages, and here you will find this one, all participants. Just click on it and click OK, and now just go back. That's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.